Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a tabletop which consists of a rectangle and two semicircles. Yeah, radius is given as well. So find the area of this particular tabletop. Okay, in case you don't already know, since they give us the diameter as 0.5 meter, do take note this is the radius, meaning this will be 0.5 meter as well, this as well, and therefore for the rectangular portion the breadth will be 1 meter, 0.5 plus 0.5. And once I know that right, it becomes pretty straightforward. So for part A, the area of this tabletop is simply equals to the rectangle. In this case, 3 meter times 1 meter, that's the rectangle, plus the two semicircle, and we have two semicircle of the exact same radius. It is simply one circle, so it's just pi r square for the two circle here that we are looking at. Leave our answers to three significant figures. So let's see what does this give us. This will give us a final answer of 3.7854 to about 5 significant figures followed by 3 significant figure, 3.79 meter square. Express the area in cm square. So for part B, the first step for me is to find what is 1 meter square to cm square. So if you don't already know, then this is something that I would like to share with you. 1 meter is equals to 100 cm. So if I have 1 meter square, this simply means 1 meter times 1 meter, 100 cm times 100 cm. So I will have my 1 meter square is equals to 10,000 cm square. And so from here, I will be able to get what is my 3.79 meter square. Yeah. So this will be equals to 3.79 multiplied by 10,000. 37900 cm square. Okay, so that will be for part B. Find the perimeter of the tabletop in cm. Okay, so this is something that we need to take note of later. So for perimeter, right, we have 3 meter here, use blue color, and 3 meter on top. We also have half a circle here and half a circle here, which means we just need to find one full circle and 3 meter. So for part C, perimeter of the tabletop will be equals to 3 meter. Since they want us to give the answer in cm, I straight away convert 3 meter to 300 cm, and there are two of them. And of course, my circle. Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. R is 0.5 meter, which is 50 cm. So final answer, I would have 914.159. This is to 6 significant figure. Final answer, 914 cm square. Oh, sorry, cm to 3SF, 3 significant figures. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.